Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your crypto card to Apple Pay. So let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is open the crypto.com app on our mobile device, launch the app, and ensure that you're logged into your verified account. Now, being a verified account, make sure that it is verified. The next thing we need to do is tap the card tab at the bottom and select your active crypto.com card from the dashboard. Locate and tap the add to wallet, Apple Wallet, button, and this will be displayed on your card's screen. Verify and confirm. So follow Apple's secure verification process. This will include Face ID, Touch ID, or even passcode authentication. You can now start using Apple Pay. So your crypto.com card is now integrated and ready for contactless payments at any supported merchants. Some requirements will include your iPhone running the latest iOS version, an active and verified crypto.com account, a physical or virtual crypto.com card activated, and sufficient crypto balance, of course, for your transactions.